goes her own way, like I don't give a damn girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that.
Okay, do we have our hats? All right. Copy. Here we go. Ready? Okay. What was that? No, we're not going to bring the bicycles today. Ooh, it's a little chilly. Here we go. Me too. Okay, let's get in. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Yep, we'll bring both. Great. Thanks.
That's mine.
Okay, put your foot out.
That's mine.
Oh, goodness. Okay.
Thank you, Mom. Mama, hold this. Oh, wee. Oh, my phone.
What?
I love phones.
Put your phone down.
I like
Okay, why in your seat, honey? Hey friends, we are headed up to a new park today, and we're gonna take you with us because it's pretty exciting. It's called the Twin Silos, so I'm excited. We're leaving pretty early because it actually gets very busy. It is a weekday, but we'll see what happens. We're excited to show you a new part of Colorado that we've never been to. So we are gonna head up there, have ourselves a little day in the life, and see what we get into today. So come along. I hope you're having a good day.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone, way so far from home. Free, but ready to flee from this all. Hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own. You knocked me down, swept my feet off the ground, left me on the floor. Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you.
All right, general consensus, that park was super fun. Definitely needs to be accompanied by an adult if you are bringing your kids. While I was having fun, this thing slowly goes down. We stopped at Tokyo Joe's on the way back, and I got some sushi for myself and the kids, and then their bento boxes are $6, and it comes with your protein, edamame, rice. The kids really love it. I had this gift card from 2 years ago, so I wasn't even sure if it would work, but while we were in the area, we went ahead and got a Sprouts pickup order. So we spent a little under $100 here, and we found some great deals. We really didn't need that much. I don't have a meal plan this week. Honestly, we are just kind of winging it and seeing what I can come up with. I love just having a week where there's no plan. So first things first, we got the jalapeno and cheddar muffins. This is very rare to get this, but because we went early, we actually were able to get these. So they're super good with chili. We got some double chocolate chip muffins for my husband. We got some chocolate chip cookies, and we got the vegan kind. I really enjoy the vegan cookies. There's no eggs in there, so I think it's helpful for my daughter. We're still exploring that little allergy. We have some organic grass-fed beef, which was on sale. And my favorite, Justin's dark chocolate peanut butter cups. They are delicious when you put them in the freezer and just have a few at night. I used to live right next to it in Boulder and loved heading over to that little factory company, whatever you want to call it. We got some animal cookies for the kids. I used to love those when I was a kid, so I don't know. We'll see if they enjoy it. I got some blue cheese crumbles. My husband wanted some wings, so I'm going to make him some homemade blue cheese dressing to go alongside of that. And we really love that brand. I got some tuna salad for the kids. I like this because I can put in some hemp seeds and some spinach or really anything. I could put flax powder in there and they will eat it and really can't taste a difference. I finally got my hands on the Uncle Matt's Ultimate Defense. I love their typical orange juice, but this has orange, pineapple, ginger. It has turmeric in it, and it's just great for cold and flu season. I really enjoy having that. It is a bit pricey, so I suggest finding it on sale when you can. I got the Blake's chicken and dumplings and the shepherd's pie. My husband has just been enjoying taking freezer meals. It's just easier for him, so I grab those when they're on sale. And then I did get some more sea salt grass-fed butter. The kids are on an edamame kick, and so am I. I could eat that whole bag, so we grabbed that. I got the Hope hummus. They're out of Boulder. They're our favorite hummus. Again, on the pricey side, but when you get them on sale, it's so worth it. It's delicious. We got 2 organic apple juices for the kids for the week. Well, I mean, this will probably last us a month. And then we got some extra creamy oat milk for Delilah. I'm really trying to focus on calories for her, and the extra creamy, according to her dietitian nutritionist, is the best for her. We also got some baguettes. She loves to just chow down on bread, just like her mama. These are the spicy buffalo wings. They had a great sale on those, and they came with 18 wings. I got some organic multigrain waffles for the kids. We love to make little waffle peanut butter, almond butter sandwiches. And then I got some raspberries and blueberries. We were just needing some extra antioxidants this week just to fight off any colds. We got a sweet potato there and some organic bananas. The Earthbound Farm organic salad kits were on sale for Manager Special. I believe they came down to $1.99, so I grabbed a Caesar salad kit. I got some sea salt and vinegar chips, of course. We go through a bag a week, I'd say. Wilder really loves it. I got some organic maple syrup. We love the Sprouts flavor. And we got some organic sour cream. Again, we love that Sprouts brand. And then they still had Macintosh apples, so I grabbed 5 of those. They are not organic. That is a rare occurrence for me if I'm getting apples that are not organic. And I'd say this is my splurge of the week, but it really does come with a ton of awesome stuff. It has kale and spring greens. It has some spinach on the bottom, chickpeas, sunflowers, carrots, quinoa, tomato, broccoli, and a ginger dressing, and that lasts me through the whole week. I love eating that salad. It is amazing. Again, I am focusing on some meals and grocery stores that are more specialized for this pregnancy. I just think it's the best for me. Now I'm going to move into dinner and some meal prep, and I hope you can stick around. I have gotten several requests to do this, so I am just going to continue on powering through in the kitchen. I had some of that Uncle Matt's orange juice, and I'm just feeling good, so I'm hoping that was an immune boost for me. And I'm making that blue cheese dressing, so I break up a little bit of it. I'd say about a tablespoon. I have some mayo in there, again about a tablespoon. And then I put the organic Worcestershire sauce. If you get the Sprouts brand, it doesn't have any fish in it for my plant-based people. And then I'm just using up some sour cream that we had. And then what I do is just put some water in this to thin it, but I do add some salt and pepper and some garlic. I used to work at a restaurant. It was like my second restaurant job, I think, and she made some amazing blue cheese dressing. I'm gonna have to ask her for the recipe because it really hooked me on blue cheese. I was not a fan for the longest time, but a friend and I used to always go and get this salad, and my friend's vegetarian too, so she didn't eat the chicken or bacon on it, but it was basically just lettuce, croutons, cheese, and then a little bit of blue cheese dressing and buffalo sauce, and that was it. And we lived off of that through college. We absolutely loved it. So I'm going to put that in the refrigerator. I put the wings on at 400 and I cook them uncovered, and they don't dry out. They are actually super juicy. According to my husband, I couldn't tell you, but he said they were good. And now I'm moving on to some celery prep. I just cut them in half. I've really been enjoying washing my vegetables with baking soda. I used to just wash it with a splash of vinegar, but I'm finding the baking soda is getting some more dirt off. Some people use both, and I've read that it doesn't really do anything except create a foam effect. So visually it looks cool, but it's not actually doing anything when you combine the two. So I pick one or the other. Baking soda and vinegar actually are relatively inexpensive. So what I do is cut it in half, and then I let that soak for 20 minutes, and then I clean off the water, get all that dirt off. I will show you it. It's actually incredible how much gets off of there, and I try and wash my fruits and veggies as best as I can. But after that, I just put some more water into that glass dish and I cover it, and that's how we store the celery for the week. My son really loves celery, and so do I. We make ants on a log with little peanut butter or almond butter, whatever we have on hand, with some raisins, or we just do some crushed cashews on there. He really enjoys that as well. So we eat celery quite a bit. I'll probably need some more produce here throughout the week. So if you want to see that haul, definitely stick around, because I will show you my fall and winter produce haul. Again, we like to eat in season, and we've canned and preserved as much as we possibly could, but there are a few things. Again, if you're new here, I do try and eat locally, so we're typically not buying like a ton of avocados or anything like that, but of course we enjoy it from time to time, so you may see me picking up a few things during the week. Right now I'm doing my grapes and berries, and I found these containers at the Dollar Tree. I would prefer them to be glass, but not in the budget this month. All I do is just put a paper towel on the bottom of that. Berries are great in the refrigerator for up to 5 days for us, as long as we keep them pretty dry. But honestly, we will probably go through these in 3 days. We all love raspberries and blueberries. Not a huge fan of blackberries, to be honest with you, but we love grapes too. So we have all fruit all the time. Honestly, we really enjoy it. So what I'm doing is just cleaning everything off here, making sure it's nice and dry, putting it in the appropriate dish, and then I'm going to move on to making some dinner for the kids. I know a lot of you get inspired when we make some dinner for the kids. So all I'm doing is warming up a flour tortilla, putting that tuna salad in with some of that chopped spinach and hemp seeds. I did put a little teaspoon of flaxseed meal in there too, just for some extra nutrients. And I'm just going to cut those into little pinwheels here. And then I'm going to serve that with some grapes. I am such a stickler with my grapes. If I could cut them into fourths, I would, but they just make me nervous. And you all know I'm a nervous mom, so I am cutting them in half here. And then I'm also going to serve this with some of the Hope hummus. I will say it does have a kick to it. It's not that terribly spicy, though. I am a wimp when it comes to spice. So I'm going to add some celery on the plate and some pita chips and call it good with the kids. And then for myself, I've just really been doing, I'd say maybe 6 to 8 meals a day, and they're just little snack plates like this. So it's not a lot that you're seeing me eat for dinner, but I promise you I am eating as best as I can. I'm trying to get some protein in so I don't get so sick during this pregnancy, but the sickness has gotten better. So I'm showing you my husband's meal here, and that is it. We are going to wrap it up with this gorgeous sunset. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you had a good time seeing the sights and checking out our menu and delicious meals and food for the week. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, everyone.